For today, I'm gonna make a short video on how to make the gang hook. All you need is number 3 open hook, number 10 swivel, and a plier. And also this is optional, it's up to you. At the end, I used to put a bit bigger swivel, number 8 swivel, so that it's more play under the water. But this is optional, you can put, or if you want you can put, if you don't want, it's alright, doesn't matter. I already made some here, pre-made. That's a gang hook, see? I'm gonna make a new one for you. Here's the open hook, number 3. I bought this one online. It's more cheaper compared if you buy in a tackle shop, like in online it's more cheaper. I think it's 200 in a pack, included the swivel, number 10 swivel. So it's pretty simple. Let's do it. All you need is number 10 swivel and 3 open hook. Now all you have to do is just put the number 10 swivel to the first hook, lock it, see, connect the second one, and then put the next swivel, the other swivel, lock it, see, and then connect the last hook. It's a bit close now. It's a bit close. It's alright. See, and then I'm gonna add the last swivel. If you don't want, you can just lock it and you can tie this one here straight, the leader. But I love putting number 8 swivel at the end, so it's more flexible. It's play more under the water. See, less than, maybe it's in 1 minute you can make one, or less than a minute. That's pretty simple. That's how you make a gang hook. So for those who requested this hook, there you go guys. Hope you learned something today, how to make a gang hook. Thank you.
Yeah.
also, see? Strong. Big salmon, pero bilang. Yeah.
Wow.
Bream. Ano, no? Tribali. Tribali. Nice.
Anong size dito?
Tribali.
Anong size?
I think
Anong size
size
na ito?
30. I think size 30.
Yeah?
I think 30.
30?
Ito sa 32.
Sabi dito yan.
Ito, pag gusto mo sumatin 32. Buenas ka talaga, oh.
Nakahuli ka na?
Buenas ka talaga. Oh, it's a big salmon.
Ha?
Big salmon.
Ay, hindi ko yan. Ay,
Oh.
sabi niya
Talaga
na.
yung ganda lalaki, oh.
Ayun o.
Ganda lalaki talaga.
Swerte si Kuya. Oh,
Eh.
oh, laki yan.
Fire. Laki ah.
Oh, kaya pala, hindi ko makuha.
Ano? It's here.
Big.
Mana lang yan sa namimingwit.
Swerte
Tama,
si
oh.
Frankie ah.
Mana sa namimingwit.
Malaki pa.
Bumabagay lang yan.
Alaki.
Ito ang siya o wala na.
Ay! So, fish on uli si Kwan. Ah,
Halika, mag-photo tayo. Si Alan and Ian.
Nice to meet you.
So, good luck sa fishing nyo.
Okay. Sige, ayun. Oh, sige.
Vegas ka talaga.
ha? Finally! Nakahuli. Oh, that's your last bag.
All the hips.
Lucky. We'll give you some. Huh? Whoa, I told ya. Ana, yee! Yee!
What was it?
Take it.
Take it. Take it, uncle.
Sarap niya.
Waiting daw eh.
Waiting.
Wala yung, ano dyan, meron ba kayong ano, yung scale na
Mahal.
0.1?
Ay, pampakain na.
Come on, Rocky!
What's that? Salmon? Maybe wheat. So wheat. Huh? Oh yeah. Salmon. Parang kingfish ah. What's that? Oh. Is it? Ano yan? Oh.
See you long weekend.
See you on a long weekend.
Yeah.
Leaving us. Good luck. Alright, thank you. Thank you. I'll see you next time, ano? Yeah.
Say hi to Luisa.
Okay, thank you.
Yung asawa. Ate. Ano yan? Long weekend.
Thank you.
Sige ate, good luck.
Thank you.
Hello guys. Ito, pauwi na kami. We just finished our fishing session. So far, so good naman yung aming fishing. We caught a few decent ones, but I didn't take it home. I just gave it to them because some of my mates, they didn't catch any fish. And shout out nga pala kay Alan and Ian from Griffin. We saw them in Windang. They are my viewers as well, subscriber. Thanks nga pala sa inyo, Alan and Ian. Yun lang guys. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.